Once again, I, Sunil God, welcomes you all in the session 1 of Matrix. In this session, we are going to study about three subtopics. First subtopic is the definition of the matrix. Second, what is the order of the matrix? And third, the types of matrix. What is the matrix? And the answer of this question is it is a rectangular array of numbers, functions, etc. That means it is nothing. It's just an arrangement of numbers or functions in rows and columns. Matrix is just an arrangement of numbers and functions in rows and columns. Suppose we have given 6 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and suppose we have to arrange these digits in form of rows and columns. Then we can arrange these numbers in this format. These numbers can be arranged in this one, and these numbers can be arranged in form of this one. All these forms are known as matrix because in these three forms we arrange the given numbers in form of rows and columns. Let us take first matrix, that means matrix A. We arrange 6 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here these 6 numbers are arranged in 2 rows. This is the first row, and first row involves 1, 2 and 3. This is the second row. This one is first column, this one is second column, and this is the third column. That means given 6 numbers are arranged in 2 rows and 3 columns. And we know that if we arrange the given numbers or objects or functions in rows and columns, then the obtained form is known as matrix. That's why this is a matrix. And this matrix A involves 2 rows and 3 columns. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are known as the elements of matrix. What is this? A11 is equals to 1. A11 means A means element of first digit 1 represents the row and second digit represent the column. That means A11 means element of first row and first column. Element of first row, this is the first row, this is the first row. I am talking about element of first row and first column, that is 1. That's why the value of A11 is equals to 1. What about A21? A21 means element of second row and first column. Element of second row, this is the second row, and first column, that means we get 4. Therefore the value of A21, that means element of second row and first column, is 4. Similarly, what is 5? 5 is the element of second row and second column. What about the 6? This is the element of second row and third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are known as the elements or members of matrix A. Then what is the order of the matrix A? Order of any matrix is written in form of number of rows by number of columns. This matrix A have 2 rows and 3 columns. That's why the order of this matrix is number of rows by number of columns. That means 2 by 3. Order of this matrix is number of rows by number of columns. That's why the order of matrix A is 2 by 3. Now we take one more example. Matrix B. This is the matrix B. Again it is written here. This matrix B involves 3 rows. This is the first row, second row, third row and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. That's why the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. Similarly, the order of this matrix, in this matrix there is a single row and how many number of columns? 1. This is the first column, second column, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. This is the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5 and column 6. That's why the order of this matrix is 1 by 6. So in general we can represent a matrix in form of Aij and the order of this matrix is m cross n. This is the general representation of any matrix, and normally the representation of matrix is Aij of m cross n, where this I is always greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to m. M means number of rows. What about this j? J is always less than equals to n and greater than equals to 1. I is greater than equals to 1 मीन्स यहाँ पर जो आप I को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं उसकी मिनिमम वैल्यू 1 होगी, क्योंकि मिनिमम फर्स्ट रो से ही हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट रो, सेकंड रो, थर्ड रो, 0 रो हो नहीं सकती. दैट्स वाई I इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 1. एंड इफ एनी मैट्रिक्स इन्वॉल्व्स ओनली m रोज, सपोज किसी मैट्रिक्स में केवल 6 ही रोज हैं, तो यहाँ पर जो एलिमेंट होगा वो 6 रो से ज़्यादा का हो नहीं सकता. दैट्स वाई द वैल्यू ऑफ I इज ऑलवेज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू m. सपोज किसी मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर है 2 क्रॉस 3. सपोज मैट्रिक्स A, इसका ऑर्डर गिवन है 2 क्रॉस 3. तो इसमें जो एलिमेंट होंगे वो फर्स्ट रो से हो सकता है, सेकंड रो से हो सकता है, फर्स्ट कॉलम हो सकता है, सेकंड कॉलम हो सकता है, लेकिन कभी भी इसके अंदर ये एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि इसके अंदर आपने 3 थर्ड रो, जबकि इसमें मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ रोज कितनी गिवन है 2. एलिमेंट को जब हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो ये फर्स्ट वैल्यू नंबर ऑफ रोज को रिप्रेजेंट करती है. ये वैल्यू कभी भी इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि मैट्रिक्स के अंदर टोटल रोज ही 2 है. तो थर्ड रो का एलिमेंट हम फाइंड आउट कर ही नहीं सकते, मीन्स ये एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा. दैट्स वाई द रेंज ऑफ I इज़ फ्रॉम 1 to m, and similarly j is always less than equals to n and greater than equals to 1. And what about Aij? Aij is the element of ith row and jth column. Now the third point, that means types of matrices. The first type is column matrix. नाम से ही क्लियर है, it's a column matrix. That means in this matrix we must have a single column, only a single column, not more than one column lie in column matrix. That means a column matrix is a matrix in which single column is exist. That's why the that's why the order of this column matrix is always n cross 1. In this case, the order of matrix A is number of rows. Here the number of rows is 3 and number of columns is always equals to 1 as it is a column matrix, and the general order of the column matrix is n cross 1. Now what about row matrix? It is a matrix in which single row will exist, single row A, B, C. In this matrix there is a single row and number of columns are 3. So the order of this matrix, order of this row matrix is order of this row matrix, that means order of matrix B is equals to 1 cross 3, or the general order of row matrix is 1 cross n, where n represents the number of columns. What about square matrix? स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स क्या है? नाम से ही क्लियर हो रहा है, स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रोज इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. एग्जाम्पल 1 2 3 4. This is the example of square matrix. In this example, number of rows equals to 2, number of rows equals to 2 and number of columns is also equals to 2. That's why this is known as the square matrix of order 2. This one is the square matrix of order 3. So in the square matrix, the number of rows is always equals to number of columns. What about diagonal matrix? First condition, it must be a square matrix. Second, diagonal elements will exist and these diagonal elements can't be equals to 0. Third, accept diagonal elements, accept diagonal elements accept diagonal elements, all elements must be equals to 0. The example of the diagonal matrix is 2 3 4. These are the diagonal elements and these elements are not equals to 0, and accept diagonal elements, all elements must be equals to 0. Then this type of matrix is known as diagonal matrix. First condition is it must be a square matrix, that means number of rows equals to number of columns. Here the number of rows is equals to 3 and number of columns is also equals to 3. Diagonal elements must not be equals to 0. Here the diagonal elements, this is known as the principal diagonal, and the elements of principal diagonals is not equals to 0. Remaining elements, that means elements except diagonal elements must be equals to 0. This type of matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Next type of matrix is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix must be a diagonal matrix first condition. second condition, diagonal elements of diagonal is always same. That means first it must be a diagonal matrix. That means elements except principal diagonal must be equals to 0. And what about the elements of diagonal? These diagonal elements must be same, maybe any number or any function. This may be equals to 2, maybe 3, maybe x, but all the elements of the diagonal must be same, then it is known as scalar matrix. What about identity matrix? This is the example of identity matrix: 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then what is the condition of the identity matrix? First, it must be a scalar matrix, and second, the diagonal elements, or we can say the elements of principal diagonal is always equals to 1, must be equals to 1. This is the example of identity matrix of order 3. That's why it is denoted by I3. What about I2? That means identity matrix of order 2. 1 1 principal diagonal elements and remaining elements is equals to 0. Then what is the zero matrix? नाम से clear है, zero matrix. That means all elements of this matrix is always equals to 0. Then this is known as zero matrix. So first type is column matrix, second row matrix, third is square matrix, fourth is scalar matrix, fifth is identity matrix, and sixth is zero matrix. Thank you and have a nice day.